This is the Hantzsch pyridine synthesis. So you place 6.5 grams of ethyl acetoacetate, 3.9 grams of ammonium acetate, 5 mils of formaldehyde into a conical flask containing 10 mils of ethanol. The flask is swirled gently and placed on a hot plate which is set at 100 degrees, and it is allowed to sit there for 15 minutes. As the reaction proceeds, note any colour changes and record in any observations in your notes. After about 7 to 8 minutes, I noted a precipitate forming. After 15 minutes, it's removed from the hot plate, allowed to stand until it cools down, and then you can add some iced water. When it is cooled down, add approximately 25 mils of cold water. Again, note any colour changes. It is then placed in an ice bath until precipitation is complete. The solid is filtered using suction filtration. Any remaining solid can be transferred by using a minimum amount of cold water. This is the crude product. The next step is to recrystallize this from a minimum amount of hot ethanol. The crude product is then transferred to a conical flask and dissolved in the minimum amount of hot ethanol. When all the crude product has dissolved, you can remove it from the heat, allow it to stand, and if crystals haven't formed after a few minutes, you can then place the solution into an ice bath. This has now been sitting in the ice bath for about 5 minutes. You need to filter your product through a Buchner funnel and then get a weight. Analyze the purity of your impure product and your recrystallized product using TLC. First, prepare a sample of the products by placing a very small amount, a tip of a spatula, in a glass vial and dissolving it with 2 mils of ethyl acetate. And prepare your mobile phase. Your mobile phase for this experiment is cyclohexane 1:3 ethyl acetate. You will need to look under UV light to see your samples.